Hey everyone, this is just the final stages of a workflow like this. I've shown some lofting. You can create new sketches on each new plane and pull out whatever shape it is. Again, you just got to make sure that you're looking for this center point. Remember, you can right click and rotate while you're doing this. I don't want to interfere with your workflow. Just finish these sketches to connect them in space, and you can always go back down into these sketches and change the sizes depending on what it looks like. So don't think too hard about your end result. Um, Also a good idea, good time to show you in a sketch here, but you can take things from other sketches and other edges and transfer them onto new sketches. Looking at it this way is a great example of this. Right here, use, project, convert geometry. So the idea is you click this and click whatever it is you want it to project. And if I want this to go up and down to the same point in space, I can just use that again and it'll round out that handle. It's going to look like a funny handle when I'm done. But so yeah, there's a sketch already there. Oops, sorry, I meant to hit Loft, connect here, here. Remember, these do have to be done in order. You can't click randomly through. You have to make sure it's all set up right. So that's like an oversized bulge in the middle, but it's different. But if I wanted to go back and modify it a little bit, I can go into whatever sketch it is, highlight it until I see it, make it down some, see what happens. It's a little more like it. And I want to leave this for demonstration purposes, but I'm going to make a copy of this by right-clicking and hit duplicate, and then that way I have a copy where you can visually see my planes easily. But if you shut these things off now, just by going over the eyeball and clicking them anywhere you have a plane, after you're done with the design, just to make it look good, let's have this origin center point. You can turn that off. And what I'm getting to have people do here is use the snipping tool and capture the screen. You can also print screen and take the whole thing, but just to have a consistent file save process. Design 2020. There we go. I could always go back and trim these post-production here, but that's a good thing to do, good healthy procedure, just to turn the planes off and zoom in and get a good save of your work. That way, I'll save as. I'd asked everybody to create a documents location. In recent classes, you might be watching this at the beginning of the year, at the end of the year, a different year. So, yeah, and for my students specifically, I wanted everybody to go into their documents and create a new folder for storage. Taking photos like this, using the snipping tool. If you look on a Windows computer, there's various ways to take screenshot captures, so something to play with. But I'm going to save lots of photos of your work. You notice that this is just a file window. I'm still got our project work on here. But that's the end of the hairbrush.